Affirmation Mastery, the power of your own voice. You have tried affirmations. Sometimes they work, but often they fall flat. And at their worst, they even backfire. That is because words alone are not enough. An affirmation must be crafted with precision, charged with feeling, and aligned with the truth of who you are becoming. When done right, affirmations are not just phrases. They are powerful allies, rewiring your mind, amplifying your energy, and co-creating your reality. In the NeuroSync Affirmation Core Module, you will learn how to build affirmations that actually work, grounded in neuroscience, expanded through self-hypnosis, and designed to transform your inner dialogue. It is time to stop repeating empty words and start speaking your future into being. Because the most powerful voice in your life is your own.